Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a skincare review video with this product. This is the Body Shop Tea Tree Peel Off Mask and it comes in a small plastic bowl like packaging. It is called the Anti-Imperfection Peel Off Mask. So it's a powder form, as you can tell, and you basically have to mix water in it and turn it into a paste and then apply it to your face. So that's what I'm gonna do. And first up, I'm gonna read what it claims. Okay, it says on the website, use 1 to 2 times a week to help prevent and minimize breakouts. Remove lid and add cold water up to the waterline inside the pot. Mix with fingers or a facial mask brush until the formula thickens. Smooth mixture onto cleansed skin, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. So this is clearly a one-time mask. You can't use this more than once. So yeah, I'm just gonna go get started. Okay, so I've just added the water and I'm gonna mix it up. So I really like the Body Shop. I love all of their products. They work really well on me, and the best part is they're cruelty free. So I absolutely support the brand. And I haven't actually used too many of their products, but all of the products that I've used, they've worked really well on me. So I'm excited to use this, and I'm just mixing this up with my, this is one of my makeup brushes. So you can do it with your fingers also, but I wanted a very nice and even application. That's why I'm using a brush. It's turned into like this really goopy mixture. I don't want to tilt the bowl too much because it might just fall. And obviously my hair looks really bad today, so please excuse that. I've put it up because since I'm doing the whole mask thing. There we go, nice and goopy. And let's apply. Okay, just to start off with, this is what my skin looks like. I'm sure there's not going to be that much of a difference, like a visible difference, but I'm sure I'll feel it because my skin has been feeling really rough of late. And I do use the Body Shop Tea Tree Scrub. Wait, I'm going to get it. There you go. This is the Body Shop Tea Tree Scrub. So I use this like maybe once or twice a week whenever my skin is feeling a little rough. And it's not one of those like super abrasive scrubs. It's actually pretty mild. So it works great on me, and I'm excited to see how the mask works. Let's begin. Oh, okay. Ew, that looks pretty gross. Okay, so I'm done applying the mask. I kind of look like Shrek, but I do have a lot of it left. So I think if you're gonna be using this mask, I think it's best if you do it along with somebody else so that you like two of you can finish it, because I have a small face. So yeah, you can definitely share this with another person. It is currently 12:23, so 12:33-ish, 12:40-ish, I'm going to take this off. So I will see you guys then. Bye. Okay, it's been more than 10 minutes. I think it's been about 15-ish minutes. We are at, oh come on, 12:38. Okay, so this mask is looking very goopy on me. I think I didn't mix it properly, but that's okay. We are going to peel it off. Let me come closer. I think I should have put on a thicker layer because this is just crumbling on me. Oh, okay, let's do this. It's, wow, I'm gonna have to remove this in bits and pieces. It's definitely not gonna come off like a proper mask should. Such a fail. So remember when I said 2 people can do this? No, I was wrong. It's for 1 person, and you need to apply a really thick layer. I look like the guy from The Mask. Okay, I'm back. My skin looks pretty great and it also feels great. Like my pores feel a lot tighter, and I don't know whether it's just like a placebo effect or what, but my skin does feel a little softer. Like it was a bit rough when I started off, but it does feel really like nice and soft. And yeah, I mean, you're supposed to use this mask twice a week to see like proper results. I obviously just had one, so I just used it today, but I'm kind of happy with it. I'm pleasantly surprised. Okay, so here are all of my pros and cons. Pro number one, it works really well. It clears off all of the dust and the gunk from your pores. Pro number two, it helps combat acne. So in case you have acne prone skin, tea tree oil is great for that. So it really helps with acne. Pro number three, it smells really good. And pro number four, it is great for sensitive skin. And pro number five, it is cruelty free. So let's get to the cons. I think one really big con for me is that it is a one-time usage mask, which kind of defeats the whole purpose of skincare, because when it comes to skincare, if you're using something just once, that's not going to show like huge results. You're going to have to use it frequently, whether it is once a week or twice a week. You have to like keep using it to see proper results. So that is a big con for me, because I mean, I'm just using it once and then I have to purchase another one. So yeah, that I think is the only con for me. Other than that, I really like this mask and I was really surprised to see that it worked so quickly. And yeah, that's all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in case you do try out this product, and if you already have tried it out, let me know your thoughts on it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.